I purchased my no lift in April of 2017, and it was one of the best purchases I've made. First time you use it, you'll wonder why you didn't buy it before. For me, the no lift was a career extender.
The way everything's designed, you guys have been out in the field, you've done it before. It's 100% made to improve installers' life day to day. With the no lift, we feel like a lot of times there's pieces we maybe wouldn't be able to get into place without cracking it if we didn't have the no lift system. So it's been an absolute game changer for it. We love it, recommend it to everyone.
I lifted one full slab one time and was like, forget about it. These no lifts were out, let's make it happen. We were an earlier adopter back in, I think, 2017, 18, and we haven't looked back. I'd say it's a no-brainer. Take care of your guys, have them last a long time, be out in the field working for you, make them happy. Yeah, do it.
How you doing? I'm Irving with the Granite Guy out of Pasco, Washington. We've had the no lift for about 6 years, 5-6 years roughly. We did recently upgraded it to the power tilt. Recommended. Wouldn't go any other way. No other cart. Service, quality itself is definitely top notch.
I think this is a fantastic system. I've used it at several shops that I've worked at, and it saves time and it saves your installers' backs. It's a no-brainer. I mean, if you're installing big granite pieces, you need the no lift system.
Came to say hi to these guys because we've had ours for about 6 years. Couldn't do without it. It's an awesome piece of equipment. If you're thinking about getting one, contact them. You won't regret it.